How to treat dry hands with moisturizing your hands and keeping them from drying out, and also treating cracks and cuts. Dry hands can make a cold, harsh winter even more miserable. They get itchy and painful, and sometimes they even crack and bleed. If you have chronic dry hands, the first thing to do is moisturize them right away. There are also steps you can take to keep them from drying out so much in the first place. If you have cracks or cuts, you may need to see a doctor. See Step 1 to learn more about taking care of those dry hands. Moisturizing your hands. Rub your hands with coconut oil. This rich natural oil provides a thick layer of protection and will leave your hands feeling moist and soft. Coconut oil absorbs into the skin fairly quickly, it smells wonderful, and best of all, it doesn't contain ingredients that can dry out your skin and make the problem worse. Carry a little pot of coconut oil around with you and apply as necessary throughout the day. Look for unrefined coconut oil, rather than refined. Refined coconut oil is heated to a high temperature that removes properties that are beneficial for skin. Other oils can also be effective. Try jojoba oil or almond oil if you prefer a different texture or scent. Try lanolin. Lanolin is the substance naturally produced by sheep to make their wool waterproof. In concentrated amounts, it also makes a wonderful emollient for skin, and is especially beneficial for dry, flaky hands. It creates a seal that keeps moisture in and protects your skin from the elements. Look for a lotion or cream that lists lanolin as one of the main ingredients. You can also buy pure lanolin, but it's easier to use when you mix it with a looser oil, since in its pure form it can be difficult to spread. Get a tub of petroleum jelly. This age-old, cheap product is great to have around when you have chronically dry hands. You can pick it up from any drugstore. Petroleum oil creates a good seal from the elements. The only drawback is that it doesn't absorb into the skin as well, and it tends to leave grease marks on items you touch. Use it when your hands are extremely dry or chapped. Avoid cheaper drugstore lotions. Many commercially produced lotions contain alcohol, artificial fragrance, and other chemicals that actually dry out your skin instead of helping it heal. They provide temporary moisture, but in the long run they don't alleviate dry skin. Check the ingredients list on any bottle of lotion you pick up, even if it's labeled as being for very dry skin. If it has ingredients you have trouble pronouncing, you're better off choosing something else. Look for lotions with all natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, oils, essential oils, aloe, and beeswax. You can make your own lotion to create the perfect blend for your skin type. Wear gloves to bed for soft, moisturized hands. If your hands are in need of some intensive therapy, slather them with your favorite oil or cream and put on a pair of cotton gloves. Do this before you go to bed, so the ingredients have time to condition your hands during the night. In the morning, when you take off the gloves, your hands will be soft and moisturized. Doing this about once a week will keep your hands in good shape. For severely dry hands, you can do it every other night. You may prefer to wear gloves during the day. During the winter months, if you're going to be out and about for a while, try putting on cream before donning your winter gloves. Just make sure you wash them frequently, since they'll have residue from the oil inside.